This is a Harman Kardon sub in a standard. Well, this car basically didn't have the Harman Kardon sub in there. I had this one, and that means the wiring is obviously, well, the wiring would have been different, but because I'm looking to rewire this at some point, what that basically means is, I'll take this out. There's sound coming out of this sub, basically, is what I wanted to see. So, you can see there's the two pins in the middle. That's what is giving this power. Well, that's where it's receiving signal from. So that means the middle two wires on this plug here, so that's how it would go in. Those two middle wires there are giving sound to the door speakers, and the outer wires are what give this sub power. So I'm potentially looking to get do a sub install on this at some point, and
yeah, that's what I need to know to be able to do this, so let's get this sorted.